yucky
opening
taste.
it with your mouth.
Yucky.
Sophia opening her second gift on Christmas Eve.
Doing a great job.
That's the paper.
You can do it.
So she can eat it.
Don't let her eat the paper.
Okay, that's really fancy paper and all, but don't eat it.
Let's open it. Whoa.
What do
what's
you got?
that?
Okay, I'll just show you what you got. Look!
Teething toy!
Yay.
Now you can chew.
What's that?
There you go.
Yeah. Yay. What's that?
Should I open one?
What is that?
Oh, we have to clean it first.
That's okay.
Oh, that's good. That's good, Liana. Right there.
Oh.
Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
what's video. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look
you
at her
want
eyes.
video?
Oh my gosh, she's
Is that a video?
yeah.
Oh, yes, what I'm saying. From
Beautiful.
my angle, it's good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at the
In
face.
that camera.
Look at the
In that
face.
camera.
Bye, boo. Bye, boo boo.
Bye.